Powerful performance, exceptional value. This is the brand new DJI Agras T70P. A fully upgraded propulsion system features 62-inch carbon fiber propellers. The maximum payload is increased to 70 kilograms, extending its capability for heavy loads on low power. Operational power consumption is reduced, lowering costs and improving efficiency. Timely pest and disease control demands efficient aerial solutions. The T70P has a 70-kilogram spraying payload and dual mist sprinklers with a max flow rate of 30 liters per minute, meeting high-volume spraying demands. Optional water-cooled mist sprinklers deliver flow rate up to 40 liters per minute for dense orchard canopies. The dual-motor water-cooled structure is durable. Mist droplets as fine as 50 microns enhance liquid penetration, ensuring thorough spraying coverage for every leaf. Spreading demands versatility, efficiency, and precision. The T70P quickly converts to its spreading configuration. A 70-kilogram spreading payload, combined with the latest screw feeder, delivers a flow rate up to 400 kilograms per minute. It supports high-speed spreading at 20 meters per second across all scenarios, boosting overall operational efficiency by 50%. The high-torque feeder motor ensures smoother spreading operations. Multiple feeder types are included to adapt to various granules, achieving high-precision spreading. T70P can transform into a transport solution. The T70P can seamlessly switch to its lifting configuration and support transportation of payloads up to 65 kilograms. While in flight, the triaxial force sensor automatically adjusts posture and eliminates cargo swing to ensure stable transport. The T70P supports mobile loading and unloading points. With the remote controller, the AR feature displays destination positions in real time, making manual transport faster and easier. It also supports automatic flights, providing hassle-free and efficient transportation. Weight detection is included to prevent overloading, easy for settlement. For operational safety, the Tri-Vision system combined with front and rear millimeter wave radars provides the T70P with enhanced agility for obstacle detection and bypassing. Takeoff and landing safety are equally important. Before takeoff, the system performs real-time detection of environmental safety and arm lock status. During return, it supports multi-directional obstacle avoidance and intelligently detects utility pole and obstacles, leaving no room for accidents. The T70P Night Vision Color FPV camera uses virtual gimbal technology combined with electronic stabilization algorithms for smoother images. It supports night vision mode, providing clearer details. Equipped with high and low beam lights, along with downward fill lighting, night landings are safe and reliable. If unexpected obstacles appear during operations, the T70P detects and logs them, improving safety with every flight. And operations are streamlined into 2 simple steps: outline the field and launch with one touch. No intervention needed. Both beginners and experienced pilots can operate it effortlessly. To enable safer round-the-clock operations in mountainous orchards, the T70P can conduct fully automatic mapping, detect fruit trees and obstacles, and generate precise 3D flight routes. Power supply is critical for agricultural work. The front-mounted battery design reduces corrosion from pesticides and fertilizers. It features a dual side latch design for easy insertion and removal, and a high-powered connector to enhance current flow capacity. Thanks to optimized power consumption, it supports 2 types of intelligent flight batteries to meet different operational needs. Pair with an 11.5 kilowatt versatile variable frequency charging station for ultra-fast charging. Additional options include a 12 kilowatt intelligent charger, quiet, eco-friendly, economical, and portable. The brand new 04 image transmission system offers low latency, anti-interference capabilities, and stable, smooth video quality. For heavily obstructed video transmission scenarios, the optional 04 relay module keeps the video feed stable and online, ensuring operational safety. Higher position accuracy ensures safer flight operations. The latest DRTK3 Agriculture Edition offers plug-and-play functionality without needing coordinate setup, delivering centimeter-level positioning with consistent precision. This is the all-new DJI Agras T70P, your efficiency expert.